Watch behind, watch forward.
Everyone has it going down. You want to go
Underneath the stairwell.
Watch the door when he comes up.
Yeah, watch it. Boys! Go up.
Mob rule. Just do it.
Survive with three.
Let's move. Yeah.
There's a zombie down here. Check these drawers.
I don't know if there'll be anything in there. I don't think we're allowed in there. Because look at that, right? Yeah, we're good. We're all cool.
Anything in there?
No.
There's one on this floor though.
Yeah,
Just one? Or a zombie?
One zombie. There's only 2 zombies, right?
Yep. Okay. Yeah, but they're not. We know they're not that thorough, right?
True enough.
Nothing. Gotta bump my camera there.
Zombie! Yeah. Let's get him!
Might for that bastard.
Teamwork.
He's probably another one.
go guys, we'll get back.
Get him.
Get away from Guy, he's an odd. He's an odd, get away from him.
There's one. Got it.
Go get my gun, let's go. Go.
Name, rank, serial number?
Dave, Colonel.
Good luck.
I don't know. Did you take them out of the magazine or are they still in there?
I don't think we unloaded yours.
How many BBs are in there?
2,
Grab it, let's go.
3,
Sit down.
Okay, come in here. Just keep the area clear. We got guard.
5, 6,
Once you get this gun,
7.
Mike.
I think I just lost count.
Oh,
Let the base
let's just call it 50.
guys.
Same as last
There's also
Yeah.
live Claymore. To see behind.
Is yours?
No, Chris. Can't wait to get it.
I would love to see how that works right now. It's not me.
Yeah.
I'll be coming this way. Yo, check this way.
Y'all get 10 whole rounds on this here, man.
That's what I'm talking about. Just counting them.
Get loaded up.
Oh, this is going to make it so much more entertaining for me. Y'all can wait your turn. You weren't here first, he was. There's your ammo, sir.
Just have to put it down so I can get
Alright, get it practice. There we go.
Okay, are you getting ammo for, like I say, how much you get?
That's 10 rounds for you, son.
That's what I'm talking about.
Use the face.
Here, dude, come over here.
Yeah, that's it. Oops, it's my knife.
Come on.
Pick it up.
I'll use it loading up.
Okay.
Yeah. Let's load it in the room. Start somewhere we can watch the door.
Okay, keep them off me.
Oh, there he is. You have an even birthday.
You good? I'm reloading still. I gotta do one at a time. Yeah.
Yo.
Okay, we have a gun.
Yay, somebody's got a gun. Kill the damn zone.
Let's make sure I stay alive. Yeah.
Light.
Stay alive.
You see what I'm doing?
Okay.
Okay, here we go. We're good.
Pick point.
What? Hold on. Right here. Take it.
Clear.
Hold on. Nothing. Oh, get in there. Get.
Clear. It's not too much there.
Sounds like they're down over there.
Where?
Somebody's showing on the corner. Said he was human though. Check those desks. In there. No, check in there. There might be something. Clear, clear. Nothing. No. Nothing up there. We got lights.
Zombie over there, guys. Yeah. Zombie's coming, don't worry, live.
Alright, let's wait for him.
2 zombies down that way. 2 zombies down that way. They're down right now. You got, holy shit.
Got my Chris. You okay, man?
Oh shit. Where's the zombie?
Is it dead end or what?
Guys.
Okay, keep going. We good?
We should head down.
Where was one?
Your group's over there, man. You tell me. Or just did a circle.
Zombie.
What?
Zombie. 2 zombies.
Teabag him. Come on. Just checking corners.
We were here already, I think.
Think we go downstairs now?
Hey, whoa, guys.
Oh, come back.
Hey, right here. I don't know what's...
Oh, that's just tripping hazard.
Yeah, that's fine.
Yeah.
Yeah, it's just for the trip.
Alright, well, it's not hanging there.
Yeah, good call though.
I think he's trying to do that.
Yeah, but they could have replaced them, right?
Let's find the stairs.
Yeah. To your right.
Or we can go towards the airport.
You can go in there. That's that big dark. Hold on. Let me go in first. Stairs are right over here.
Someone wants to check those drawers or no? Let's walk.
Yeah, that's to the gun store. Hey.
Stairs are right there.
Yeah, stairs.
Downstairs.
Watch out. Those guys could be pretty close to 2 zombies over there. That's where we got them.
Hey,
Gun first.
there's a zombie over there.
Gun first.
Fucker. Nothing. This way.
Check the drawers.
Are we allowed here?
I think so.
Okay. Check this room. It's nice, wide open and bright.
You'd say first?
Yeah.
Pretty decent safer, and that's a light.
Nothing. Where'd they go? They're all alive. Okay. There's nothing there. Nothing. I don't think we can go in there. Hell,
Hang on. Check it out.
no.
Check this thing. Close the door behind you.
Have a look. You're not getting in there.
Door.
Nothing. There's a lot of rooms in. Clear. Nothing.
Dude, this is where they got like that.
Oh. Check behind the door. Check behind the door, I said. If there's anything. Okay. Watch out. Somebody's got to use flashlights.
Have you guys found any zombies yet?
No, I haven't seen a zombie in forever.
I think they're all upstairs.
I haven't seen it since the beginning.
Yeah, I think we encountered 3 upstairs.
Yeah.
They're probably once everyone's converted, probably going to converge down here, I think.
Probably. Let's go back.
That's the same, we've seen 1 caravan.
You guys cleared that one?
Yeah, we cleared all down there.
Alright.
What's he yelling?
Brains, I think.
Check behind the door.
Lost one.
There you go, man.
Got it?
Yeah.
He's got one.
Stairs.
Let's go up.
Found one? Human?
Yeah.
I'm not going to shoot you.
Yeah, we lost one. Where's your buddy?
Ken.
Yeah, so we're pretty safe that they aren't zombies.
We didn't check this?
Hold on. We got
Okay.
stairs here, guys.
Hold on, hold on.
I think it's pretty
The
safe.
zombies moved upstairs.
Yeah.
This area's been pretty clear the whole time.
Guys. Up.
Stairs, yeah.
They made
Hey,
it, guys.
hey.
Justin?
Nothing. No. Watch out.
Zombie. 2. 1 down there. Hey, zombie.
Go.
Justin, get your. We got one coming behind us.
Okay. Fuck.
How many shots you got? Okay, 2.
Apparently they're on a coffee break.
Okay, they're on coffee break. How many got on break?
4 or 5.
4. Guys, let's take.
Maybe.
No, we're gonna walk around. Let's take a look up here while they're on break.
Yeah.
Somebody find me a live zombie and bring it back.
Bring it
Need
back.
a live zombie.
There's 2 down there.
Yeah, well, bring
Well, let's
it
go
over
get
here.
one.
And you're only allowed to be standing here 5 seconds, and I start shooting.
Oh shit, run. Holy fuck.
3, 2, 1.
Almost got me. We gotta go this way. Ken.
There's at least 2 coming this way, guys.
I got 2 rounds left. 2, 3.
There's at least 2. Yeah.
I only have a few rounds left, guys.
Okay, we gotta find out. Okay, go! Watch that corner.
Circle back to the carrot pack. Circle back to the gun.
Oh, we can get a gun now.
No problem.
Yeah. Why didn't you claim it?
As long as it's not heat. Okay, let's head back. Let's go to the shop again, guys.
What?
One left, one left.
Everyone. In there. Go. Go. Yeah? Fuck, I need. Really? Awesome. Just come here and give it. Let's go. Go. Sorry, man. Yeah.
That's his road.
Oh, shit.
If only.
There's clear.
Watch back, he's gonna come.
Oh, sorry, man.
All good. Watch this corner. Let's move, guys.
Go. Just go. Go back. Yeah. Who cares?
Let's get out of there.
I only have a few rounds left.
No, I know.
Yeah. Yeah, gun shop, Ken. We're coming back. Hold it. Watch that door. Okay, let's go. Okay, well, we got some guns.
And you got some zombies for me to get your guns?
Around the corner, yeah.
Okay, one shot. Freddy Krueger's right here.
How do we?
Zombie, that room.
Where?
Supposed to be bringing them to me to get that ammo.
He wouldn't come.
Well, the rules on.
There, we brought him.
Okay, watch out.
Hey, are you dead?
Does that count as a hit?
Hey.
Oh, why? So do I turn it on player kill?
No,
Do I turn it on? No.
oh, fuck. I'm out. I'm out of my. Kenny. I need my shit back. I'm out. I need to find more.
Hold up, guys. Are you gonna hold on to the door?
Don't do that. I know.
Pretty good room to hold up in.
Yeah, just leave him alone. He ain't hurt nobody. Yeah, I know.
watch it. Dave. I've seen you on that side before. Fucking blow that.
Guys ready? Got you, bro. I knew it. Oh, you bastard! He's already done.